Hello everyone, I'm Manish. I'm so excited to dive into something really cool, how AI can answer questions about your own documents like your school notes or a story you wrote. In this video, we're going to explore a smart technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. It's like giving an AI a notebook and a brain. First, it looks up the right information, then it explains it back to you in a clear way. Here's how it starts. You ask a question about your personal documents. Maybe you wrote a long story and forgot a character's name, or you need to find a fact in your science notes. Instead of flipping through pages, you just ask the AI. Now take a look at this illustration. It shows the whole process. The AI doesn't just guess your answer. Nope. It first searches your document smartly, like using a super-powered search tool to find the exact info you need. Once it finds the right information, the AI reads it and then explains it back to you in a clear, natural way. That's the generation part. So you get real answers from your files, not just random guesses. That's RAG. Thank you for watching.